Okay, let's go over how to draw Lethal Company, and it's gonna be the Eyeless Dog, all right? Very simple, very easy. Stick with me to the end. Let's do this. All right, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna start with a mouth. The mouth, draw a curve right here. And slight curve underneath. The mouth looks a lot like kind of a Venus flytrap, which is, I'm guessing, what they did. So I draw a long line down here for one spike, like one of the teeth. Draw up, okay. Go over here, same thing. Down, up. And we're just gonna keep it going. Draw these long, thin kind of teeth that he's got going on. It's gonna, you know, there's okay. Let's go over here for the bottom. The exact same thing, upward. Kind of space them out and make them thin. Like so. Curve here to the back over here, down over here, down over here. So now you have that open mouth right there. You draw some teeth in the back right there, just a bit, to kind of give it that realism, and then we can fill in this the entire inner. Well, you could, yeah, we could fill it. Well, honestly, what I forgot to do is you got to draw a little bit of the gum line right here. It's okay, we missed part of that. A little bit of the gum line, at least on the top, like that. See that? So now you can fill it in. And he's gonna have that gum right there. Please hit the like button if you like Lethal Company. Let me know who's out there. Definitely hit that like button. Hopefully you're having a pretty good day, chilling out. We go check out the blog. There's a lot of stuff on the blog. It's a new blog over there. And check out the free stuff in the description. There's a bunch of resources you can go to. You can do like how to draw a cute ebook, and there's a lot of cool stuff on there. Alrighty. There we go. We have that open mouth, which is honestly the main kind of thing for this character. So we're gonna go over here now. We're gonna pull back, down. Curve underneath here, line underneath here, out over here, down for kind of the front of the arm, right? We're gonna extend it downward. Over here for the rest of the arm. We're going to go to the claw area. Back over here, up. So you have one leg coming down. Gonna go back here for the lower port, like kind of that, see that ski slope of the back? Out over here and up for the tail. So we're gonna kind of follow along that whole back, just kind of make that tail pretty good. Curve over here. It's gonna be the back leg, out, the knee, down. Claws at the bottom, just gonna draw 3 spikes like so. Heel, down over here the foot. All right, so hopefully you're following so far so good. Pulling up. Let's find the bottom of the chest here. The chest, up. And line up over here for the tail, the rest of the tail. And we're gonna pull back. Gonna go over here. Down, down. Foot right there. And down right here. All right. So far, so good. Now, what are we missing right here? We're missing the hind leg on the far side. And we're missing the kind of something at the top. Definitely say hi to me, by the way. If you're watching this, I would love to hear what you have to say. How long have you liked Lethal Company? Let's just say that. How long have you liked Lethal Company? Because you are watching this, I'm assuming you like it. So let me know kind of what your experience is. Up over here. Curve for the hind leg over here. He's lifting the leg. Spike. Down over here. Let's go over here to the front now. And we're going to do a wiggliness along the back. Like that wiggliness is going to be that fin that he has. So a lot of his structure is in. Now we can just kind of go into like thin details. So for example, maybe thinner lines like underneath the neck here to show kind of the, you know, some wrinkles around the corner of his arm. That's basically smaller detail. The rib cage itself, maybe line up here again, like where the leg attaches there. Same thing over there where the leg attaches over here. Maybe some thin lines going upward with his fin on the back. Right, to kind of give it a little bit more realism. These little things I'm doing right here, they're really small, but they add up a lot. They start to add up into a little bit more of a realistic image. You know, maybe throw a little thin line there, but if you're drawing with a marker or a pencil, try to go thinner on these lines if you can. It's kind of like worth it, and it really does, you know, do a lot. Like maybe, especially under the neck, where you think there's crunching going on under the neck and stuff like that. That's where I'll draw a line up there for the top of the leg. I appreciate you guys watching. You can always go check out the resources in the description, or you can go check out, you know, all the links in the About section. And if you're not checking out the community page, go check that out. There's a lot of stuff on the community page. I make an announcement almost every day on there. But yeah, I hope to see you around. Line over here in the arm, like the shoulder there. I hope to see you around, and we can do a lot of videos together, and you can slowly get better at drawing the more you do this kind of stuff. But yeah, I want to thank you very much for watching. You're awesome, and hopefully you have a great day. Now, I want you to stay here, and we're going to do another video together, okay? Let's do another video together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.